Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5-minute scalping strategy using QQE mod. It works for forex, crypto, stocks, and it works on all time frame. Okay, it doesn't matter. So first you need this indicator called QQE mod. It's this one by Mikhail here. And then you need a Donchian trend ribbon. Okay, Donchian trend ribbon by here by Lonesome. And then you need 200 EMA. Okay, this one, 200 EMA. Okay, 200 here. Okay, so this one I use default setting for QQE mod, and for Donchian trend ribbon I use 30. Okay, so for buy you want the price to be above the 200 EMA, and you want the trend ribbon, Donchian trend ribbon, to be red. Okay, and then you have a blue bar here from QQE mod, so that's your signal. All right, so our stop loss is last swing high. I'm sorry, last swing low. Okay, and you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. All right. Okay. So now, why are we taking this when the Donchian is red, and why we don't take it when it's green? It's because we don't want to be lag. Okay, so this indicator is already very laggy, so we don't want to enter at the top. Okay, we don't want to enter here. All right. So okay, so we have another signal here. So Donchian is red, and price is above 200 EMA, and you have this blue bar, so that's your signal. Okay, your signal here, and stop loss. The stop loss is a bit subjective, but okay, so target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. Okay, we got that one, and we have another signal here. Okay, Donchian red above 200 EMA, and we have a signal here. All right, so you can target 1 to 2. Okay, so for sell, it's the opposite. You want the price to be below 200 EMA, okay? And then you want the Donchian trend ribbon to be green, and when you have this red bar here, so that's your signal, all right? And this is your stop loss right here, 1 to 2. So the stop loss is subjective, okay? So it's really up to you where you want to put your stop loss. Okay, so we have another signal here. So the Donchian is green. Donchian is green, price below 200 EMA, so we can take this. All right, take this here. Stop loss is right there, and we can target 1 to 2. All right, so let's see. Okay, so we have a signal here, and okay, we have a signal here, sell. Yeah, I think we got stopped out. Yeah, we got stopped out here. So you're not gonna win every time. And then we have another signal here. Okay, green. All right, target 1 to 2. Okay, we got that. All right. So if you like the video, please subscribe and comment down below for YouTube algorithm. Okay, thanks.